Good day, awesome students. Are you looking for a good English teacher? Do you want to learn from a qualified professional native English teacher from England? Do you dislike boring lessons? Look no further. Teacher Tony provides fun, educational and interesting lessons for students of all ages, from grammar and spelling, reading and writing, discussion and conversation, and about science and our world. I provide trial lessons at a very competitive rate so that you can experience my teaching style and materials without breaking the bank. If you want to learn from a teacher with a passion for the English language, our society, our world, and all our beautiful yet different cultures, please check my diary and book a trial lesson. I look forward to seeing you soon.